Hi there, welcome back for day 3 of our 12 Days of Christmas recipes from Ignite. Today we're going to be making our stuffed bell peppers, mini bell peppers, and tomorrow we're going to be making roasted Brussels sprouts. Hey there, and welcome to Ignite Test Kitchen here in Phoenix. We are going to be doing our stuffed bell peppers, or stuffed mini sweet peppers for our 12 Days of Christmas. And I just wanted to show you what I've done is I've cut up, this is just those little mini sweet peppers that you can find in the produce. They come in a bag of about 20 of them. So I've just cut those in half, and then we're gonna make a stuffing here. But I wanted to show you, what you wanna do is kind of see how the pepper lays flat. And then you want to turn it up on its end and cut it in half, just like that. So you have your two sides of peppers and they're going to lay flat when you put the stuffing in there. That's key to keeping that stuffing inside. Another quick trick to taking seeds out of these little peppers, I have a strawberry stem remover here, and you just simply pull this towards you, go underneath of that seed patch, and lift it out with your fingers, and then kind of give it a tap, and it removes all those seeds from the inside.